Hello, Random Wizard 2012 here. I have a ceiling fan here. It's old, so turn on the light. Oh, sorry. There's the light. You can see it's a really dirty fan. My dad's been he's been see, you can see the fireplace a bit. So, but he's been grinding the fireplace. So it's good, I guess. All right. Here, wait. Turn the fan on. Out the blade, I know it's not that good. Wow, it's pretty wobbly, huh? I took the blade off. I was trying to see what was on the other side, but here, I'll even show you the light. I'm gonna turn on the light for a second. This is the blade. Ah, dang it. It's there. This is the blade. That's nasty. It's dense on this side, and then it doesn't even wobble. That's good. And then it's just plain wood on there, you know. So I like the ceiling fan. I took it off so I could see what the other side was, but well, I don't know. I guess. So it doesn't even wobble and lower at all. That's really good. I like it. It's nice. It's just so nice. I like it. It's fun. Think of it on high speed. We won't go do that. God, this is gonna go really bad. It's gonna go crazy. Alright, I like it that way, but we can't have it on that way. Here's high. Now it's not all the way because there's a dimmer switch for the fan and the light. But if I turn on high all the way, it's gonna go crazy. I mean, seriously. Just keep it on. I love Wobbley ceiling fans. It's awesome. I'm gonna be brave. Turn that on low. Turn this one up. Medium. Go a lot faster now. Oh my god. Low, off, high. It's gonna go really fast. Oh snap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that was really scary actually. That was really scary. Alright, Random Wizard 2012 is going. Bye.